here, but I'm getting the door for Monique, who is bringing her machine in for a class.
My birthday. You never know when you're gonna get on film.
Yes, you never know. Let me help you in. Now. All of these quilts on the wall have kits available. Quilt cutter. Oh, that quilt is so cute. Kit available, kit available, kit available.
Do you want me to bring it back?
They are also a sewing machine vendor for long arms, sewing machines, HQ. Vacuums. Who needs a vacuum?
I noticed that. I was like, yes, but I'm like, where's the most of our people? Like, this is all they brought. And I'm like, huh. Okay, good.
It does. It's a tea leaf. Si deja hilo abajo, si deja el hilo arriba. Chica. ¿Qué máquina es? Oh, es una.
For all you boutique lovers, look at this. The shop is divided into themes, which is fun. There's animals. Kits. Oh my gosh. So many kits. Waterscape. You need water fabric? It's all in one spot.
So do they have? So do they have that for me? Well, what I thought was really cute
telling you, this place is here to satisfy your need. Fun quilt for a grandchild. Grunge. Grunge, 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 grunge. Grunge, grunge, grunge. Grungy dots. Grungy stars. Let's actually take home a paycheck.
I do.
You do? How about you? You look a little guilty.
Most of it.
And the kids. Kids, kids, kids. Oh my God, there's just so much. Oh, look at that camper. We're on landscapes. This is an amazing shop. Modern. So here's what the Aboriginal fabrics decided. Patriotic.
Hey, Bill.
She's got a pile. She's getting a pile. She looks guilty.
See, now here's the owl. You could do something. Okay. Okay. Kathy used one of these for hers.
Need some thread? Holy moly. Holy moly. I went over there already.
No, I'm just going to tell her today so she can run that same fabric. Got the same shoes on all Kathy's. I've got to get something.
This is for you, cakers. You just have to buy 20 fat quarters. Oh, look at that. It's a sloth. She made a cloth sloth. What a hoot.
It's $22. It's listed as the Magic Hat embellishment. Anna, were you going to buy L's?
Yes.
Yes.
Ooh, this is for my girlfriend Leslie. This is the 30s section. Oh. So fun. Yep, this reminds me of Leslie. no way. No way. And here is Anne and Sandy's spot. This shop is really got something for everybody.
I just did this. I just took two.
Okay, I think we got lost in the Civil War section.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna use, you can use your, I don't know if this is considered a notion.